Well, hi there, everybody. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 520 Shaw Street, apartment number 2 in Avis, Pennsylvania. This is a stunning second floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and some things that are gonna blow your hair back. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. All right, so we are starting the tour outside today. You have this large, fabulous deck, plenty of room to set up an entire patio set. Dining out here, relaxing out here, you've got it. So you do have 2 flights of stairs. So you have this set of stairs. I'm just gonna come right over here and you have this set of stairs. Parked a little cattywampus today, but there is parking along the street there. So now let's go inside because y'all are in for a delight. When you walk in, your kitchen, your dining, and your living are all kind of interconnected, and you have this gorgeous L-shaped bank of cabinets and counters. You also have this over here. You got a little situation over here. I hung my coat for you just so you can see it. And you have the travertine tile here that gives you a nice separation between your living room and your dining room. So it does make a difference because it gives a different vibe. So you can certainly fit a little table and chair set here. I would love to see something kind of right over here. You can get those cute little like bar height ones with the 4 chairs. Super adorable in here. But then it gives you enough room. If you wanted to do a little island cart to add a little extra razzle dazzle, you can. So you have this over here. This would make a great living room area. So you can certainly, you can back a love seat up here, maybe do an L-shaped couch here, get a little entertainment center action. I mean, there's a lot of options, and not for nothing, this space is gorgeously accented by that brand new tongue and groove ceiling that the owner just installed. It really gives a cozy, comfortable vibe in here. Now, we're gonna go on to our bathroom, and she's a big bathroom and we've got a lot to talk about. We have your laundry, by the way, included. So you don't even have to worry about what to do for a washer and dryer. You have your whole little closet here. You've got a rack in here, you've got a shelf in here, and then you also have this beautiful new vanity, a great sized bathtub, and you've got a nice bougie shower head for yourself as well. I'm gonna keep going through into the first bedroom. This is the smallest of the 2. I would say a full to a queen in here would be perfection. And then you do have a nice double shelved and hang barred closet. And then last but not least, you have your master bedroom, and I'm calling this a master because it is the largest. This is open and available for a king size bed plus additional furniture and all of that stuff. You have tons of beautiful natural light, which, by the way, you don't have to worry about a window AC unit because this entire unit has brand new installed central air system. Excuse me, but I know you are chomping at the bit to call this place home because she's fabulous. So what you need to do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property, like the rent, the utilities, and all the good stuff you want to know. You can book your tour, and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, we love it. Give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today because y'all, I don't know if you can tell, but I am anxious to help you make this your home.